Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County and central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of Reno. Doppler radar shows this tornado moving east at 40 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany, and the village. Take immediate tornado